Hey, this is Mr. Molo. I'm going to go through these quiz questions that we missed for you. Alright, so the table shows a value represents a linear function that shows the weight of kitten as it grows. What is the output for the initial value? So this one's kind of tricky, so, sorry about that. Alright, so then we kind of got to go backwards and see what happens here. So if we go from like 3.2 to 2.6 to 2 to 1.4 to 0.8, it looks like we're going down 0.6 each time. And if we go down another 0.6, we get down to 0.2 pounds. Okay, here the table shows shown and represents a linear function. Which of these points could also be an ordered pair in the table, and why? So here, remember, we're going to simplify by y over x. So this one, it looks like the y's are going up 3 to 7 to 11 to 15 to 19. They're going up 4, and the x's are going up 3. So we're looking for one that's 4 over 3. And then if we kept going with the pattern here, 9, 12, 15, 18, and now this goes up 4, so 15, 19, 23, 27. So maybe having a sheet of paper on this one would probably help, because then you can go further out and you'd see that 18 and 27 would be on that line. Okay, this one, the linear function graph below represents Tim's age in years since he was married. Which statement is correct? So initial value means when did it start? So when did he get married? So again, probably a piece of paper or something can help. Draw your straight line. It looks like he got married a little after 30. So we're looking at one of these two. And then after that, we can see how much it goes up. So from 22 to 37 is going up 15. And from 54 to 69 is going up 15. So 15 divided by 15 is really 1. So he gets married at 32 and then goes up 15 years and over 15 years after that. Because you're married for 15 years, that means you are 15 years older. This one, the table of values represents a linear function, shows the number of miles on an odometer of Brian's moped since he started riding. What is Brian's speed? Okay, and then it's kind of the same thing. So my y's are going up 3.25, 4.25, 5.25, 6.25, 7.25. They're going up 1. And then here it's going up from 0 to 4 to 8 to 12 to 16. It's going up 4. So 1 over 4 is the same as 0.25. Richard and Gloria ran a 10-kilometer race. Oh, I remember this problem. Okay, so this one's tricky because Gloria gave Richard a head start. So this one's going to be weird. It's going to look like Richard is faster, but he's really not, just because Gloria let him start first. So this one's kind of weird. So it says that, after 20 minutes they're at 4.6 kilometers, and Gloria after 20 minutes is 3.2 kilometers. So it's going to look like Richard is faster, but remember that he had a head start. So since he had a head start, he's going to be slower, because if you take away that 2.2 head start kilometer from 4.6, then you're only at like 2.4. And Gloria's at 3.2 then. So Gloria ends up being faster, and she ends up being faster by quite a little bit. So she's about 2.5 minutes faster. All right, I hope that helps.